In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add navigation menu in Google Sites. Let's get started inside Google Sites with your site open in edit mode. If you're looking at the site as a viewer, switch to editing so you can make changes. You'll notice that Google Sites saves automatically, so you don't need to worry about a save button while you work. On the right-hand side, click Pages. This panel is where your site structure lives, and it directly controls what appears in your navigation menu. If you don't see it, make sure the Pages tab is selected at the top of that right side panel. Now add new pages or organize the pages you already have for your menu. To add a page, use the plus icon in the Pages panel and give the page a clear, concise name. That name becomes the label in the menu. To organize what's already there, drag pages up or down to set a logical flow. If you want sections with subpages, drag a page slightly to the right under another page to nest it. Nesting creates drop-down items in a top menu or collapsible groups in a side menu. Keep labels short and consistent and avoid nesting too deeply so visitors don't get lost. Next, go to the navigation settings at the top of the site. This opens the area where you choose how the menu appears across your site. You'll see options for top navigation and side navigation. Top navigation runs horizontally across the header and works well for sites with a handful of main pages and maybe a simple drop-down or two. Side navigation places the menu vertically on the left and is great for content-heavy sites, documentation, or when you expect lots of scrolling. It keeps the menu visible and easy to scan. Pick the layout that best matches your content and the way you want visitors to move around. Finally, arrange your pages in the desired order. The order you set in the Pages panel is the order they'll appear in your menu. Drag items to refine the sequence, group related topics together, and place the most important pages up front. If you've used nesting, check that subpages sit under the correct parent and that the hierarchy reads cleanly from top to bottom. As you make adjustments, you'll see the menu update right in the editor, so you can quickly fine-tune labels and placement. With your pages added, your navigation type selected, and everything arranged logically, your Google Sites menu will guide visitors exactly where they need to go.